Hey guys, how you doing? Just a little fun video of a walk I took out in the woods today and some of the oddities I found. You never know what you're going to find in the woods. Somebody was thinking of me. They built me a little seat there. Well, let's get back to seeing what we can find. Yeah, strange things you find in the woods. Not exactly sure what it is. It looks fairly fresh. Right here along the river. Sorry if that's a little shaky. Hey Bob 808 Night. You been out here? Anyway, not sure what it is. Doesn't look like there was a fire on it. Maybe it's a table. Who knows? Well, just the oddities you find. Yeah, coming up the path here, up the hillside from where I found the little table. I guess that's what I'm calling it. Wondering if somebody was cleaning their fish on it. Who knows? Still trying to figure out what it was. Then I walked up and found this. Now that is a serious deer stand. I've seen some stout deer stands, but that's pretty stout. Somebody's pretty serious about their hunting right there. I'm not sure if that's what it's for, but more curious how the heck they got it down here. Yeah, again, the oddities you find in the woods. Oh, what the heck? What the heck's this doing out here in the middle of nowhere? It's like an old well. That lighting. I don't know if you can see those. Kind of look like lighting canisters or something up there. Yeah, again, the oddities you find in the woods. Well, looky there. Mullein. Or mullein, however you want to pronounce it, but I didn't know I had any growing this close to my house. I thought the closest mullein was about 30 or 40 miles south of me. Pretty cool. A few miles from home. I know a good place to harvest some mullein now, quickly. Not really an oddity, but still cool stuff you find in the woods. Hey guys, thanks for indulging me in this little fun video. I was just playing around out here, and some of the oddities I found, kind of cool. You never know what you'll find. Along with that, let me make a suggestion. Every chance you get out there in the woods, get outside. Better yet, grab your wife, your husband, your kids, your grandkids, take the family, get outside, enjoy nature. You know, even if it's a local hiking trail. You never know what you're going to find, even if it's just nature and God's beautiful earth. Go check it out. Thanks for watching.